Welcome back to Mr. Heins Explains. We're going to talk about hyphens and dashes. So they both look very, very similar. It's just a difference of where you put them. And I'm not going to expect you to remember like, oh, this one's a hyphen, this one's a dash, but I'd much rather you remember how to use them. So we're going to start by talking with hyphens. And these are those little lines. So they look like this. Okay? And we put these ones inside the words, okay? And we use them in a couple of ways. The first one is in a compound number. So if I were to write the word 99, it would be 90 hyphen 9, okay? The other one is if I were to write a fraction out as like 1/2, it would be 1 hyphen half. Okay? The third one is compound nouns, which we've talked about before, but these ones we have to be very careful with, because I'm not saying like all compound nouns like hot dog would need this. So I need specific ones. Like if I were to say I have an ex-girlfriend or an ex-wife, it would be ex hyphen wife. Or if I were to talk about science fiction, I'd say sci hyphen fi. Okay? And then last but not least, the other one is between words that make up what we know as a compound adjective. And words like this is like if we are saying like, oh, this is the best known movie of this actor, that's a compound adjective. Okay? Next, we have the other one. So if hyphens are the ones within the numbers, you can probably guess that dashes are the little lines that we put outside or around the words. Okay? And we use them in two typical spots. The first one is to signal an abrupt change in thought. So we're saying like, oh, hey, hold on, I've got this idea, I've got this thought that breaks the flow of the sentence. All the players' uniforms were muddy. It had been raining all day. And the last one is, it's another way to conclude a series of things in order to preview a summary statement. So it's kind of similar to the first one, where you're also providing an explanation, but this one specifically after a series. I'm giving these names, now I have my dash, and then these were the students who planned the dash, or the dance. Okay? All right, you are almost done with grammar for the semester. Go ahead and submit this for the check, and we have one more, and I will, as always, see you in the next video.